Okay, so what is noun? First, we should understand what is noun. Okay, very simple. Noun is the name of person. Persons are place, noun is the name of persons, place, things, and animals. Very simple. Do not get confused, okay? Noun is the name of persons. Now, persons, obviously, human beings are persons. So, noun is the name of persons. For example, Kamran is a person. For example, John. For example, Imran. For example, Ali. Or for example, Muhammad. They are the name of persons. We call them nouns. Now, place, obviously there are different kind of places. For example, cities are there. For example, towns are there, okay? For example, country. Or for example, parks, like colleges, mountains. These are the name of places. Name of cities like Karachi. Karachi is one city of Pakistan. For example, town, if you say Nawakali is a town. Okay. For example, country like Iran, like Pakistan, like India. They are the name of countries. Or for example, parks, different kind of parks are there. Okay. For example, Habib Park. They are the nouns. They are the name of the nouns. So we call them nouns. Okay, in the things, when we come inside things, what things will come? For example, this pen. Pen is one thing. For example, door. For example, table. Like there are so many other things. For example, car. For example, aeroplane. Okay. For example, camera or mobile. Then animals. Animals, obviously we know what are animals. For example, I should say the simple one is cat. For example, dog. For example, cow. Even the birds also will come. They are the name of animals or birds, I should say, okay?